Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here. Today I'm diving into something that really caught my attention recently. If you're into marketing, branding, or just looking for a smarter way to engage your customers, you're going to want to stick around. I'm talking about a tool called Qroq. And no, it's not just another QR code generator. It's something a whole lot smarter. Now, QR codes aren't new. They've been around for a while, but let's be honest. Most of them are plain, boring, and kind of a mystery. You slap one on a flyer or a business card and hope someone scans it. But the problem is, you never really know what happens next. Did anyone scan it? Where did they scan from? Did it lead to a sale? With old-school QR codes, you're basically throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. Qroq changes that completely. This isn't just a QR code maker. It's a full marketing platform that helps you create branded, interactive, and trackable QR codes that can seriously boost your business. And the best part? You don't need any tech skills, design experience, or even a website to get started. So here's how it works. Once you log into Qroq, you get this really clean and easy-to-use dashboard. From there, you can create a new QR code in just a few clicks. You choose what kind of code you want, like linking to a website, file, social profile, or landing page, and Qroq does the rest. You can customize the color, the shape, even add your own logo in the middle. And yes, it still scans perfectly, every time. One of the coolest things about Qroq is that it supports both static and dynamic QR codes. Static ones are great for things that never change, like your homepage or a contact page. But dynamic QR codes are where the real power lies. You can update the destination link anytime, even after the code is printed and shared. That means if your menu changes or your promotion ends, you don't need to reprint anything. You just update the link inside Qroq and boom. Everyone who scans that code gets sent to the new page. And speaking of pages, Qroq has this drag-and-drop landing page builder that is super user-friendly. You can create pages that look professional without needing a developer or designer. Add videos, images, contact forms, social links, whatever you need. You can build anything from a digital menu to a full bio page or even a mini website. And here's the kicker, you don't need hosting or a domain. Qroq takes care of that too. Just hit publish, and your page is live, ready to be scanned and shared. Now let's talk data. One of the biggest frustrations with traditional QR codes is the lack of tracking. But with Qroq's dynamic codes, you get real-time analytics. You can see how many people scanned your code, where they're located, what device they used, and even when they scanned. This kind of insight is gold for marketers because it tells you what's working and what's not. You can tweak your campaigns and get better results. No more guessing. Qroq also has built-in tools for specific use cases. Want to share a digital business card? Done. Need a feedback form people can access by scanning? Easy. Want to create a Linktree-style profile with all your social accounts? You can do that too. There's even an AI feature that helps generate your landing pages. Just tell it what your page is about, and it will build the layout and write the content for you. It's fast, smart, and a huge time saver. For businesses, this kind of flexibility is a game changer. Restaurants can update their menus instantly. Freelancers can share portfolios without building a site. Event planners can connect attendees to schedules, maps, or tickets. You can even share files like videos or PDFs through a QR code and track how often they're viewed. All of this is wrapped up in a single, affordable tool. You get unlimited QR codes, full branding control, analytics, page hosting, and team access, all without hidden fees or tech headaches. And if you're still not sure if it's right for you, Qroq offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it out, explore the features, and if it's not a fit, you get your money back, no questions asked. So yeah, If you're looking for a way to make your marketing more engaging, trackable, and effective, without spending a ton of time or money, Qroq is definitely worth checking out. I've been really impressed with what it offers, and I think a lot of you will be too. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you'd use Qroq for. I'll catch you in the next one.